I'm reporting John Adler, reporting from Pacific Palisades on the rebuilding of the housing. There's a very big amount of construction going on here, guys. There's a lot of building companies here. So I'm at Radcliffe Avenue. Not sure how that works. People might want to know Radcliffe's named after Harvard Lab. Radcliffe used to be the women's college at Harvard. Most of these guys probably don't know that because they're not from the U.S., but interesting, huh? How you doing, my friend? How are you, sir? How's it going? So far I haven't seen one white or black guy working here, guys. It's not good. Basically, American workers getting betrayed again. Buenas tardes, señores. Buenas tardes, amigos. La Raza. Hail La Raza. Raza means the race. I'm just checking their chain here. I'm not going to ask them if they're illegal because it's too dangerous right now. I'm going to do a follow-up though. I probably need some backup on another visit. It's pretty bad, guys. I don't see one white or black guy here. So I'm at Carthage Street and Radcliffe. Viva La Raza! Viva La Raza! Power to La Raza! I'm just joking around, guys. See how they react. Obviously, I don't want La Raza here. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, senor. Welcome to America. Yeah. So I'm going to have to call this in search of one legal U.S. citizen worker. So far, I haven't seen one. Can't make this shit up, guys. Total disregard for laws here. Multi-million-dollar houses. And of course, Gavin Newsom claimed he was going to help people, but apparently not American workers. So this guy's got American flag. I don't really like it if they're hiring illegal workers. I don't like people trying to con people. It's possible they're not, but I doubt it. I haven't seen one person speaking English, white or black here. Honestly thought it might change a little bit because they're getting a lot of publicity here. It's not really smart to be doing this when there's this much visibility. Of course, fake news isn't going to talk about the fact that so many illegal workers here. This one says Red Door Homes. And the other thing is, I think I've only seen one legal building permit posted. They're supposed to all have building permits posted. This house is going to go for at least 3-4 million, guys. Probably going to stick a lot of Chinese. Buenas tardes, senor. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, senores, amigos. Buenas tardes, amigo. Welcome to America, my friend. Probably not. Probably violate a lot of safety laws, but I don't do construction.